Welcome to another crochet tutorial on my channel. Today I'll show you how to create this elegant shell stitch pattern using only 3 basic crochet stitches: chains, single crochet and double crochet. I made this sample using 2 colors so you can clearly see how the stitches are formed and how they come together to create this beautiful textured design. Although the pattern looks intricate, it's made from simple repeating sequences that's easy to memorize, making it suitable for confident beginners as well as experienced crocheters. This versatile stitch is perfect for a wide variety of projects, including scarves, shawls, cardigan and blouse bodices, baby blankets, wraps, and many other handmade creations. To begin, you'll need a foundation chain that is a multiple of 4 plus 1. For this demonstration, I made 25 chains. 24 is divisible by 4 and plus 1 chain. Make 1 additional chain to serve as the turning chain. In the second chain from the hook, make 1 single crochet, chain 3. Into the same chain where you made the single crochet, work 3 double crochets. Skip the next 3 chains. In the 4th chain, work a single crochet, chain 3, and then make 3 double crochets into that same chain. This is the pattern repeat. Skip 3 chains, work 1 single crochet in the 4th chain, chain 3, then work 3 double crochets into the same chain as the single crochet. Continue repeating these steps all the way across the foundation chain. When you have 4 chains left, skip 3 chains and finish the row with a single crochet in the last chain. For row 2, chain 3 and turn your work. The turning chain counts as your first double crochet. Work 1 double crochet into the first stitch below, which is the single crochet from the previous row. Skip the group of 3 double crochets. Into the top of the chain 3, work 1 single crochet. Into the single crochet from the previous row, work 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 more double crochet. Repeat this sequence across the row. Skip the next group of 3 double crochets, work 1 single crochet into the top of the chain 3, then into the next single crochet, work 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 more double crochet. Continue repeating this pattern until you reach the end of the row. To finish, work 2 double crochets into the last stitch, which is a single crochet. To begin row 3, chain 3 and turn your work. Make 3 double crochets into the very first stitch below. Into the single crochet from the previous row, work 1 single crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. Repeat this sequence across the row. In every single crochet, work 1 single crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochets all into the same stitch. When you reach the last single crochet, work 1 single crochet and chain 3. To finish the row, make 2 double crochets together as follows. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, which is a double crochet. Pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, leaving 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and insert your hook into the top of the turning chain 3. Pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over one more time and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Row 3 is now complete. For row 4, chain 1 and turn your work. Into the single crochet below, work 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet. Skip the group of 3 double crochets and work 1 single crochet into the top of the chain 3. Repeat this sequence across the row. Into the single crochet, work 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet. Skip the next group of 3 double crochets and work 1 single crochet into the top of the chain 3. Continue repeating this pattern all the way across the row. 2 double crochets separated by chain 1 in each single crochet, then 1 single crochet in the top of the chain 3. Repeat this sequence until you reach the end of the row. These 4 rows create the pattern. From this point on, simply repeat rows 1 through 4 until your project is as long as you desire. Let's work row 1 together one more time so you can clearly see where each stitch is placed once the pattern has been established. Chain 1 and turn your work. Into the first stitch below, which is a single crochet, work 1 single crochet, chain 3 and then 3 double crochets into that same single crochet. Move to the next single crochet and work 1 single crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochets all into the same stitch. Repeat this sequence across the row, working a single crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochets into each single crochet from the previous row. At the end of the row, finish by working 1 single crochet into the chain 1 from the previous row. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Both of these really help the channel and let YouTube know you'd like to see more crochet tutorials like this. Don't forget to check out my other crochet patterns and tutorials for more beautiful stitch ideas and project inspiration. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate your support and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye!